Wanting to know how to be a successful realtor and generate more business? Then I'm going to share with you 5 points you can do so in order to become successful. Thank you so much for being here. For more tips on how you can better your real estate business just through the power of technology, then please click on the subscribe button below and hit the bell to be notified of when I post a new video every single Wednesday. Thanks to these strategies, I consistently rank in the top 1% for my franchise, and now I'm going to share with you the same strategy so you can do the same. Before I get into the actual points, the first thing you have to know, and it is a must, because if you don't do this and you do all the other points, nothing's going to matter. You have to be consistent. No matter what you do, be consistent and don't give up on any of these. Be consistent. Don't keep doing something different. Number 5, always be available. This thing is literally always on us, guys. It still boggles my mind how when I try to get a hold of realtors and they don't even respond to me, I don't get it. I have so many customers that reach out to me and say, I never heard from my realtor either. This one is the easiest, and I don't know why other realtors don't do it. This is always in our pocket. It takes nothing to open it up and quickly reply, and people will thank you for it. So just a quick message, reply to them immediately, and yes, always be available. Get back to your people. Number 4, Facebook Lives. This one has been a huge one for me. With Facebook Lives, you just record a live every single day. Don't make them too long. Mine I shoot for usually are around 5 minutes, and I do it every single day of the week. Now for mine, I've done different segments. So Monday's a different topic, Tuesday's a different topic, and I continue the whole way through. Like I spoke about at the start, consistency. So everybody knows what topic is on the Monday, the Tuesday, the Wednesday. You get the idea, and they know every single Monday to Friday I'm going to be showing up. So talk about different restaurants or different communities, do market updates, do different tips that you get asked about often through the real estate world. These only take 5 minutes to record, and it is so easy because it's on your phone. That's all you need is your phone, and it doesn't take much time at all, guys. Number 3 is Instagram. You guys need to learn how to use Instagram. It is so good for targeting specific people, and if you're wanting to grow a following on Instagram, you can actually check out the video above here that I've got linked. I give you some tips on how to grow your Instagram following. But the big thing with Instagram that I find is the stories. The stories are so easy. Again, just like the Facebook Lives, they take no time at all. All you have to do, pull out your phone wherever you are and show people what you're doing. Talk about your day. Take a quick video and say, hey, I'm just at this listing right now. I'm showing it. We're looking at listing it. I'm out at the park. Whatever it may be. Maybe I'm out with the kids. People want to know who you are as a person. So don't just always talk about real estate. Talk about what you're actually doing throughout your day. Show some behind the scenes. With most of my stories, they're getting over 100 views on every single story. And this is all for free. I don't have to do anything else, guys. So you are really underutilizing the power of this thing when you think about how many other things you can do where you have 100 eyeballs on you at any given time in a day. It's just astronomical. I'm curious, how many years have you been a realtor? Comment below and let me know. Number 2, and this is a huge one again, be the digital mayor of your community. We have done so many videos, a part of our community, where we're showcasing different neighborhoods, restaurants, playgrounds, whatever it may be. Just go throughout your community and blast social media with different amenities that are all throughout, whether that be sports arenas. I don't care what it is, but just provide good, valuable information to the people of your community. Be the digital mayor, talk about your community, and people will gladly grasp onto this type of information. They'll share it. And if you are showing up all the time and providing this information, eventually you're going to be the top of mind realtor, because people are going to see you showing up over and over and over and over again. Remember, consistency. And number 1, you've heard me talk about this many times on my channel. It's because we've had great success with it, and that is Facebook ads. Facebook ads are an amazing way to generate leads. They're so darn easy to set up. I have videos even to help you with you. There's one here, and if you wait a moment, I've got another one here. But the point is, with Facebook ads, they're so easy to set up. They cost little money, and you can be generating leads immediately. You don't have to spend a bunch of time and waiting with effort in social media to get people contacting you. You can set them up, and I mean, we've had ads set up where we get 60 to 80 leads. So definitely check out those videos. You're going to want to learn how to use Facebook ads because they are really powerful. So while on the topic of Facebook ads, if you know you want to do Facebook ads, but you're wanting to know how to set up an actual effective Facebook ad, then you're going to want to click on the link in my description below. In there, I have a step-by-step guide on how you can set up an effective Facebook ad. And when you're done here, don't forget to check out my prior videos on Facebook ad. And as always, guys, if this was beneficial, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your fellow realtors.